there's an imposter among us. Hi everybody, welcome back to Lori Craves. I've been obsessed with playing Among Us, so today I'm gonna try how to make boba inspired by Among Us characters. The little characters are so cute and tiny and colorful, and they're just running around. Unless you're the imposter going around killing everyone. This is seriously gonna be a challenge because I'm not super artsy, but I don't know, something just came over me and I really wanted to try it, so let's do this together. Here we go! First, let's mix 1 cup of tapioca starch and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar together. Mix, mix, mix. We're going to make all 12 colors, so prepare 12 cute plates for our color palettes. 1 heaping tablespoon of the tapioca starch into each one of these little bowls. And then I know that I want to use a lot of white, so the rest I'm going to pour into here. Now we add the colors. I used 1 teaspoon of coconut milk powder for white, sprinkle of turmeric for yellow, orange jello mix and turmeric for orange, matcha for lime, turmeric and butterfly pea powder for cyan, pandan for forest green, charcoal for black, ube powder for purple, butterfly pea powder for blue, cocoa powder for brown, dragon fruit powder for pink, and beet powder for red. Now mix each of them up and adjust the colors as you like. Keep in mind the colors get darker when you cook them, so this is not the finished color. Pour a tiny bit of boiling water into the powder. Mix it up a little bit to allow the starch to absorb the water. If it's very wet, add some tapioca starch. Do this hot water mixing step 1 color at a time, or your dough will not form well. I know 12 colors may sound ambitious, but we're here to challenge ourselves. Mix and knead it until it all comes together and becomes very smooth. You're looking for a smooth and stretchy texture like this. It should be elastic enough for you to pull without breaking. This here, my friends, is a failed dough. The hot water did not cook the starch enough, so it didn't hold together and kind of looks like it's melting. So to fix this, add more hot water and starch. Or just start over. LOL. Set aside each color as you finish them and cover it with saran wrap. Suction cup it to create a seal so they won't dry up. Pick a color, any color. Take a small chunk and start rolling it out. And then cut it into small pieces. Take 1 piece and cover the rest with a warm, damp paper towel so it doesn't dry up. Straw test. We gotta make sure it fits through the straw. Alright, it fits. Take the piece and squash it a little. Use a toothpick and start shaping the legs. Pinch and push until you get the shape that you want. Squash it back down. Squash a tiny piece of light blue to make the visor and put it onto the little guy. For the backpack, take another piece of white over here and add that piece to the back over here. This cutie. As you make more, I promise they will start looking better. Yay. I'm gonna make a dead body. So I'm gonna take like a little chunk of blue, roll it out a little bit like that, flatten it just a tad. And then we're gonna get a piece of white to be the bone. You wanna have enough so that it can hold on from the inside. So just like that. Wrap it up like a burrito. And then we're just gonna hold on to the sides, tuck this down to make that bone shape. You're gonna put your toothpick underneath, push, just like that. You see? It kinda already looks like a dead body. Now you have a chicken wing. Take an itty bitty piece of red and put it right there. And then we'll flip it around. I like to put a little bit on behind too to kind of at least have more than 1 spot of blood, you know? So just like a little bit, just for the detail. And there you have it, a cute cute little dead body. That's something you don't hear people say every day.
One eternity later.
Not gonna lie, this took a while. So if you get tired and have a lot of leftovers, you can use it to make the normal circular boba instead. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Put all your Among Us buddies into the boiling water. Some backpacks fell off, but otherwise it's looking pretty good. Once they float, they are done. Scoop up the little astronauts and put them in a bowl of sugar water syrup. I just dumped them in plain old water because I was running out of sunlight and we need to finish this quick. Aren't they so cute? So my concept for this drink is ejection. We will start with a scoop of Among Us, a teaspoon of cooked sago for the stars, and a charcoal lemonade for space that I end up spilling all over the table. Mix it up, and what do we got? Ejection. Here's another take of a more dreamy galaxy. Butterfly pea lemonade. The colors are just so pretty, and you can see all the Among Us characters so much better. Look at them floating in space. And voila, your Among Us boba is ready to be devoured. Yum num nums. So cute. They're just floating around. Oh my god, I can't believe it worked. I'm so happy with how it came out. And they each fit through the straw because I made it just small enough. I think that was the biggest challenge. I was worried that when you cook it, it would expand. But this proves that it worked. The most time-consuming part is just molding it. Since there are 12 colors, you don't have to be too detail-oriented because once they cook, it's gonna turn into a blob-ish. You can actually taste the flavor of each individual bubble. Craving satisfied. So chewy. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you see, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more recipes. Or if you want to see what else I'm making, comment below to let me know what you think about these Among Us boba. Did I do a good job? Turn on your notifications to get notified. Enjoy! This video took 2 days to shoot and it took way longer than I expected. That's why everything looks different, and I just caught the last light of the sun to finish this up. I can't believe I did it. It was just fun. And this is why I do it, because it's fun.